how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I'm here today to talk about Oden's upcoming mystery boxes. I'm gonna be doing some palette bingoing later in this video to kind of celebrate, and I'm just excited to chat about everything. I'm also super excited because this video is sponsored by Oden's. Oden's, thank you so much for the opportunity. Oden's does mystery boxes pretty much every year around springtime, and we're back at it again. The mystery boxes will be live between March 29th and April 1st. They will go live at 11 a.m. EST. I'll have all of the launch details down below, but you'll have a few days to snag them again between March 29th and April 1st. There will be two box options. There is a $45 mystery box, which will give you a value at no less than $90. And there is a $75 box, which will give you a value of no less than $170. Also, you can stack affiliate codes on top of the boxes to save even more money. So you can use my code BATTYBEAN in all caps to save an additional 10% on the boxes. And also, they're running free shipping on the boxes during this event. So lots of ways to save, lots of ways to try some new things, especially if you're new to the brand. I feel like it's a great time to try out a brand. You get a bunch of things for a lower price, and it'll feel like a little present unboxing it, not knowing what's inside. It'll be a lot of fun. In this video specifically, I'm gonna be doing a little palette bingo, playing with some of the limited edition discontinued things that may appear in your mystery boxes. I thought that could be a fun way to keep the mystery theme and maybe play with some things we haven't touched in a hot minute. But before we get into the bingo itself, let me just give you my accessory details. These earrings and this choker are from the brand Suki Blade. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop on in, randomly generate our palette bingo shades, and get to doing some makeup. All right, I have 6 palettes here. And again, the brand told me that all of these have the opportunity to show up in your mystery boxes, so let's dive into it. First being the Merry Christmas palette. So gorgeous. Colorful, wonderful, amazing. The Christmas Eve palette, which is one of my personal favorites. I think this is so amazing. I just adore this color story. We have the original Hella palette, which was in collaboration with Angelica. So pretty. I love these greens. And then of course we have the Perfect World collaboration. This was between myself, Makeup Just for Fun, and Lauren May Beauty. Here's Lauren's palette, the Sea Talk. So pretty, these gorgeous, gorgeous shimmers. Here's Amanda's from Makeup Just for Fun, the Flora Story. Just so earthy and beautiful and soft. What a good springy palette. And of course, last but not least, my collab with the brand, the Planet Spirit palette. I just hold so much love for this. So bright, so cool. And yeah, we're gonna generate some shades. I'm gonna randomly generate one shade from each palette. I'm just gonna go to Google right now, and I'm gonna look up a random number generator. I'm gonna set the first one 1 to 16 because that's how many shades the first 3 palettes have. So generating for the Merry Christmas palette, we got number 9. All right, we got the shade Little Star. I'm not mad at that. Ooh, cute. I actually don't feel like I've shown that shade much love. That's quite lovely. Let's generate for the Christmas Eve. We got number 3. Ooh, cute. We got Silvery Dream right there. This one is so cute, kind of a nice mauvey taupe. I don't know where this look is gonna go. So far we have kind of 2 different spectrums happening, a little mixed metal situation. Generating for the Hella palette, we got number 14. Oh, we got River. This is one of my favorite shades in that palette. Look how pretty that is. We have a shimmer explosion so far. This is looking very shiny. Very curious how the rest of this is gonna go. Changing it now to 1 through 10 for the last 3 palettes. Generating for the Sea Talk, we got number 4. And we got another shimmer. We got Mermaid Scale. This one is so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. It has the most beautiful reflective little sparkles in it. It's so cute. I'm really hoping we get some mattes for the last 2. Let's generate for Flora Story. We got number 10. We got a matte. Praise the palette bingo gods. We got the shade Orchid. And I'm really loving this shade too. That's so pretty. And I feel like this actually flows with all the shimmers we've picked really well so far. This is cute. And finally, my palettes. Let's see. We got number 9. And we got another shimmer, but this one's more of like a opaque shimmer rather than a toppery shimmer. So I think I can make that work. Well, we're definitely leaning into some purpley tones for sure. Well, I think I can make this work. I have some ideas buzzing in my brain already. I'm just gonna gather my brushes and my thoughts, and then we will dive into this palette bingo. I'm pretty excited. I have such a solid idea in my brain. I'm gonna prime with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. Use whatever primer floats your boat. And I wanna just first go in with our one and only matte Orchid from the Flora Story palette. Just gonna use a kind of fluffy tapered brush so I can kind of start fluffing it in this outer corner. Oh, that's such a pretty purple. I love, and I'm gonna keep this pretty close to my lid. I'm gonna use like a big blank clean brush for buffing out the edges, because again, this is my only matte, so this is what I have to use to blend itself out. But these shades blend really nice, so I'm not super worried about it. And I'm just honestly really excited to dive into the shimmers. I think it's gonna be so pretty. I'm already pretty happy with this. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush with no additional product just to soften the edges just the teeniest bit more before I start going in with all of my shimmers. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX glitter primer. I use a glitter primer with every shimmer ever. It just helps everything pop really nicely and stay put and do all the wonderful things. So I'm just putting a little dabble of this across my lid. And I want to dip into my Planet Spirit palette, and I want to take Kindred. So cute. And this shade I want just kind of popped right up against kind of that seam where the matte meets the edge of my lid. Cute. I love this purple. So pretty. You know, it's funny. I've been doing a lot of purple looks lately, kind of unintentionally. And I really thought today was going to be something super random, but here we are again. The palette bingo gods were like, nope, more purple. I do want to go back into my Florist story just for a second. I'm just going to take a little pencil brush because I do want to add a little bit more depth and drama to the outer corner of that lower lash line. Just sort of something like that. I just wanted a little teensy weensy bit more drama. Ooh, where do I want to go next? I'm thinking River. Let's go into the Hella palette. I want to take River and just kind of plop that on the remaining part of my lid. I just feel like we got to lean into the purple explosion for my lid. I think it's going to be so pretty. Ooh, I really like the way that looks next to my Kindred shade. That's really pretty. I'm going to grab just a little bit more Kindred on another finger, and I'm just going to kind of go back and forth between both on that seam where they meet until I like the way they flow together. Oh, I think that is so pretty together. I really, really like that. Just want to make sure the edge of my shimmer is blending nicely. Ooh, this is so cute. This is going so well so far. So next I want to dive into the Christmas Eve palette. This is where things are going to get a little off, but we got to do what the palette bingo gods want. So I'm going to take that Silvery Dream shade. Just going to use that same pencil brush I used on the lower lash line already. And I want to just kind of pop some of this kind of in like the middle of my lower lash line, kind of fading into that purple. I think that's actually kind of nice. That flows really nice in there. And next I'm gonna take that Merry Christmas palette and I'm gonna take the Little Star shade. Just gonna take another pencil brush and I'm gonna pop this in the front half of that lower lash line. Now, if I was doing this on my own, I probably wouldn't be throwing this many different shimmers all over my lower lash line, but the palette bingo gods want what the palette bingo gods want. You know, I actually kind of like that little pop of peachy warmth in the front. I think that's really cute. Kind of like livened up my eye area really nicely. This is really going so much better than I thought it was going to. I was kind of nervous when I was getting pretty much only shimmers, but really liking this. Last but not least, the Sea Talk palette. Very exciting stuff. We have mermaid scales, and that's gonna go in my inner corner, and I think I'll also use it as my face highlight, because I have not highlighted my face yet. Oh, the shade is just so pretty. It's so sparkly. I feel like this is one of those shades that, like, seeing pictures and videos of it does not do it justice because it just has the most beautiful multicolored sparkles going through it. This is so pretty. I really like this. I feel cute. I'm just gonna highlight my face with this as well because I haven't done that yet. Any time I can throw extra sparkle on my face, I'm down. And this is pretty much the look. I really like it. I'm just going to throw on my lashes, an eye pencil, something on my lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. Here is the final look. I really, really like this. I think it came together so nicely. I really even like just all this dimension on the lower lash line with the different shimmers. I think this is so just elegant and lovely and playful. It's super cute. I ended up going with my Flutter lashes from Bright Lashes. I went with the number 4 turquoise pencil from Oden's Eye. I just felt like this really like accentuated that inner corner sparkle. I really like how it pulled things together and I really like it in combination with the purple. And then on my lips, I just threw on like a lip liner and went with the Glow Radioactive Gloss from the Angie Oden's Eye Halloween collection. I just wanted something kind of sheer and that one seemed like a good fit. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you like it. Let's zoom out and finish up this video. Thank you so much for watching my video and hanging out. I hope you enjoy this look. What do you think of it? Would you have done something similar if you got generated these shades? Would you have done something totally different? I would love to know. And just a reminder that the 2 different size mystery boxes go on sale starting March 29th at 11 a.m. EST, and they go until April 1st at 11 a.m. EST. And again, I'll have all those launch details down in my description box, free shipping on the mystery boxes during the event, and also you can stack my affiliate code BATTYBEAN to save an additional 10% on the boxes. Thank you again, Oden's Eye, so much for working with me and sponsoring this video. You guys know I've been such a fan of Oden's Eye for the longest time, so it's always super cool to get to work with brands that you really love. And yeah, I think that says it all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you made it to the end of this video, leave a random assortment of emojis, emoji bingo style. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm BATTYBEAN there as well. You can also subscribe. I'm posting most days over here. You can also join my channel membership. Link to sign up will be down below. You'll get fun little perks, including a members only video once a month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.